Kipulit kajela kel ong bantela kam ya Drok bat kibala Kyrni kalong kebakalain bat day ban haki Briew kibala Jinghikai pentebet bat kibatip ya kene kam ula ong baki pulit kipat ngyo bha ya gajing Krisya na Briew kiseng bhalang hinray umla ban pinslor pat bakin sim ka ain haki kitila jong namal bakakam kalong kebakalain day ban Peit de Briew kibala Jinghikai ong speak is Khasi hills uri to right rawi.
It is, as I said, that the issue of drugs is a complex issue. It requires trained people to handle the issue. The people without any training should not venture into this complex issue, which further complicates the issue. People who have fallen into the trap of addiction, they require support from a lot of government, non-government agencies. They should not be harassed, they should not be hounded. They should be treated themselves with care, with support, so that the problem of addiction can be solved in a more efficient and sustainable manner. Supporters from all sides, we welcome support from people at large, people, non-government agencies. Anybody and everybody is welcome. We welcome inputs from everybody. However, we do not encourage anybody, any group to take law into their own hands. The matters which are complex, which require trained professionals, should be handled by them accordingly. We do not encourage people who are not trained with the issue of drugs should not venture into it. We are studying the matter, and necessary action, if needed, will be taken from our end.